Hi guys, so today we're going to be making marshmallow Fruit Loop treats or Rice Krispie treats made with Fruit Loops. We're going to need marshmallows, butter, Fruit Loops of course. Here you just see me adding butter to a saucepan on low heat. And then I go ahead and add the marshmallows. And then you just stir that up. God damn it, Stanley. And then guys, you just keep stirring it until it gets like super soft. Now I did make a mistake in the video where you see me adding the cereal. Make sure you take the saucepan off of the heat, because if not, your marshmallows are going to continue to melt and you're not going to have those marshmallow chunks like I wanted to. So just add your cereal in there. You want more cereal than you want marshmallow. Well, not too much. I don't really know how to explain it. I didn't really measure everything. I tried to, but I got aggravated and just threw everything in the pot. So just mix everything together until it's well combined, and then you're gonna see me put it all in a pan with parchment paper. And then after that, you're gonna then see me pat it all down together. Just mold it into the shape that you want it to, and then let it set. Now marshmallows these Rice Krispie treats take forever to settle. I recommend leaving them overnight or at least 24 hours. That way, they're not so sticky to the touch. And then you just cut it up into however small squares you want to, and enjoy, guys. I mean, that's pretty much it. I'll have a video at the end of the final product.